There we go. Little, I don't know what this is exactly. I'm not for sure. I'm not too good on my species of fish. But maybe a rock bass or red ear sunfish. I don't really care ever if I catch a big fish or not. I just like to catch them. Yeah. Oh, got another one here. Mom, I've done caught 3. Look at that, they're even bigger. Red ear sunfish. Something. Oh, got another one. I've just found where these things are staying. Check it out, people. If you can see that, there's a dog. Follow me out here. There we go, people. There's a fish. Okay. Yeah, bass. I'm videoing. Right now I'm just fishing with just a little paddle-tail minnow. Usually does real good for creeks like this because it mimics natural bait found in the creek like that. None of these fish are big. I'm fishing pretty much ultralight right now. So,
oh,
there's a little fish. This is about like the size fish that we're going for today. Yeah. It's either be a bluegill or a little bass.
Ouch.
A dog.
Sorry, I almost fell. Okay, hold it. Watch that dog try to catch it.
Same thing that I caught before, just smaller. There's a lot of it too. I just hooked up on this little smallmouth bass out there. Let me see, I was using that little same bait, but I guess there is bigger fish in this little creek than I thought. You know, there's one smallmouth bass, there's probably another one. This is actually pretty good size, about a foot long, about a pound, half pound, something like that. But never really get a chance to catch smallmouth bass. It's a good little size one. I'm gonna let him go.